Alright, hello everyone. Today we're gonna fix the error when you try to use PHP and can see it is PHP executable not found and install PHP and add it into your path. I think we have installed PHP inside XAMPP, so maybe it's not read by path here, so we're gonna add that value. The first one, you're gonna make sure you have installed your PHP. For example, I have installed in XAMPP here the PHP folder. Alright, now go to start and type environment. Click here. Go to environment variable. Go to path and click edit. Now you can click new here. Alright, and browse. Let's find where the PHP file in your computer. XAMPP and PHP. Alright, click OK and try to open again. Alright, it's running everyone.